Hello, I'm Paul Zaychuk, founder of Elastic Steel, Method of Athletic Conditioning, and Easy Flexibility, easyflexibility.com. Right now I'm going to announce a contest which is taking place on Facebook. If you go to Facebook/Easy Flexibility, you will find our new page. And in the contest, all you have to do is enter the 3 DVDs or the 3 programs that you want. We have produced dozens upon dozens of DVDs for different sports and different skills and different moves and different techniques. So if we have what you already want, you can name that. Side split, butterfly, whatever it might be. Or you can name something that you want and we don't have yet, and we're going to produce that for you. So basically, name 3 of them. You have to, of course, join the page. That means that you have to like the page. After that, name 3 of them, and you might win. Very simple and straightforward. Go to the link below and the explanation below.